Hi, and welcome to 2-3. 2-3 is going to be very similar to 1-6 from the previous unit when talking about patterns and sequences. So you're going to have a sequence table. It's going to look just a little bit different in that instead of it being like term 1 and term 2 for every one of them, it may be two sets of information. So you got to find the pattern or the sequence between the two. Okay? So this is write an expression for the missing value in each table. So notice that in the bottom of this table you've got a question mark, so you're trying to find out what that information is. All right? And so notice my star relates right back to patterns and sequences. All right? And so you're finding the pattern and creating an expression. That's the whole point to this section. All right? So in step 1, you need to find the pattern between Riley's age and Ashley's age. All right? Notice that Ashley is always older, all right, and that their age is 2 years apart. So whatever Riley's age is, then Ashley is 2 years older, all right? And so we need to write an expression that says that, okay? So step 2, they are 2 years apart, so your expression is Riley's age plus 2 years equals Ashley's age, all right? So step 3, Riley's age is in. And so then that means that Ashley's age is 2 years more, so n plus 2 is our expression, and that's going to equal Ashley's age. So, for instance, if Riley was 50, then we would know that Ashley is 2 years older, so therefore it would have been n plus, or it would have been 50 plus 2, which means that Ashley is 52. Okay? But our expression is n plus 2. All right? So looking at the next one. You've seen a table very similar to this. You've got a position and you have the value. So this is the first position, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and then the nth term. We don't know what the value of that term is. That's what we're trying to find. Okay? So step 1 says find the pattern between the position and the value. Okay? So notice that this is 2 more, this is 3 more, this is 4 more. All right, but we don't have an expression to write that just allows us to increase by 1 more each time. I apologize. All right, so notice that 1 and 3, that this is 2 times more, all right, than the position. That 3 is 2 times more, but 2 times more than 1 is 2, so then we would add 1. Notice that 5 is 2 times more than 2 plus 1. 7 is 2 times more than 3 plus 1. All right, so our expression is going to be 2n, 2 times whatever n is, plus 1 more. All right, and that's going to equal the value of the term. So n, whatever that, then this is going to be 2 times n plus 1 more. All right. So, for instance, if we wanted to know the 100th position, we wanted to know the value of the 100th position, it would be 2 times 100 plus 1, so 201. All right? Third term. You're looking at area again, just like in the previous section. All right? Just like in 2-1, I mean. So, you've got the base, the height, and the area. All right? And so we want to find the relationship between the base and the height and the area of a triangle. All right? So notice that if I took 8 times 1, that would be 8, but that is 2 times more than the area. So that means that the area is always half of whatever the base times the height is. Notice again, 8 times 2 is 16. Half of that would be 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Half of that is 12. All right? So in order to find the question mark, we take the base times the height and then divide by 2. So our expression, our answer, is 8 times h divided by 2, or you could even do a half times 8 times h. And that's going to be our expression. This is to me, one of the hardest sections. Okay? So you've just got to keep watching, keep trying, keep asking questions. Okay? And just do your best on it. Look for the patterns. Okay, sometimes they're easy, just like on the first one. Sometimes they're a lot harder, like the second and the third one. Okay, I feel that the second one is the hardest one to kind of figure out. Okay, because it's not a simple just addition. Okay, there's also multiplication in it. All right, so good luck.